and then show me what happened. Because I missed a step. Show me what I did. I see my mistake. What I will do, pause it. I will let you know what the correct answer is. The correct answer should be, I'll tell you the correct one. The correct answer is going to be 32 with a remainder of 18. And then show me what I did wrong. You can come in tomorrow and show me. Come in, you'll get a surprise. All right, let's move over to number 13. So here the correct answer is, again, 32 with a remainder of 18. To prove to you that that is the correct answer, I'm doing 32 times 23. Okay, make sure that you find my answer. 32 times 23, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. Cross that out. 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, F6. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 3 left over, that's 7, okay? Plus my 18. 6 plus 8 is 14, carry my 1, 3, 4, and 5, and bring down my 7. So again, oops, sorry about that. I didn't have that. My answer is 754. So again, the answer is 32 with a remainder 18. I showed you work because you're going to go back and check my mistake. I know where I made my mistake. You catch my mistake. Because remember I told you I was going to be doing that? How easy it is to happen. Not correct. Correct. What did I do wrong? Come tell me what I did wrong to get a surprise. Okay? All right, let's look at this next one. What is the greatest possible whole number remainder if you divide any number by 41? The greatest remainder, okay, if you divide any number by 41. So 41 is going to be my divisor. So example, 41's here, and it says any number. What could be the greatest remainder? The greatest remainder, remember, it has to be less than 41. So the greatest remainder is going to be 40. Is 40 less than 41? Yeah, so that's going to be the greatest remainder, because any whole number greater than 40 would be able to be divided evenly again by 41. You can't do anything. You're done. Okay? All right, let's look at number 15. Mr. Lee's science class needs 250 large clips for a project. The clips come in boxes of 24. So how many boxes of clips will the class need for the project? Okay, so let's take a look. He needs how many? So I'm coming over. He needs 250 large clips. This is the total. The clips come in boxes of 24. That's part. Question is how many boxes of clips will the class need for the project? So we need to find out how many boxes. So he needs blank boxes for the project. Okay. All right, so now let's come over here. My total amount is 250 clips, 24 in each box. So how many boxes? So now this is my divisor, which is 24. This is my dividend. It's the total amount that's given. And now I'm going to divide. Now if I want, I'm still doing my partial products. So I can do friendly numbers, 1, 2, 5, and 10. 10 times 24 equals 240. So I can put my group of 10 here. And I'm going to place my 240 here. Subtract out. That's 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. I can just leave it blank. Or 0 is my hero and hold the spot. Alright. Is my dividend, my reduced dividend, smaller than my divisor? Yes, it is. So I'm done. Check mark there. I can't go any further. So my answer is 10. So let's take a look at this. My quotient is 10 with a remainder of 10. How many boxes does he need to have? Yeah, he's got to buy 11 boxes. Is he going to have extra? Absolutely. Because he needs to have those extra 10, right? He's going to have extra. Is that okay? Yes, it is. But for his experiment, he needs to have 250. That's his total that he has to have. It's okay to have extra. He doesn't have to use those. So he needs to use them. So he's going to go buy 11 boxes because my quotient is 10 with a remainder, and he needs. Okay, so he needs to have 11 boxes for the project. Remember, my quotient was 10 boxes with a remainder of 10. Alright, let's move on to the next one. We are almost done. Alright, Cage has 1,342 marbles in his collection. How many bags does he need if he is going to put 42 marbles in each bag? And have one with fewer marbles. Okay, so he's going to have one with fewer marbles. So how many is he going to put? How many bags? What's the total amount that we have? 1,342. That's the total. How many parts? I have 42 because he's going to put 42 in each bag. So that's a part, which is going to be my divisor. So I have, I hate to do all the writing here. Let me see if it'll work. 42 goes into 1,342, and there's our thousands part, right? Well, maybe, because here's our 4-digit. Friendly numbers, 1, 2, 5, 10. If I do 100, that's 4,200. So is that too big? Absolutely. That's 4,000, and we have 1,000. So here I'm going to do 10 times 42, which is going to equal to 420. And I'm going to subtract that out. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, 13. I can regroup here and bring my 13, or think of it as 13 minus 4. It's 9. So if I add it up, 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There we go. Can I take another group out? Yes. That's 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. Can I keep taking another group? Yes, I can. And this is at 420. 2 minus 0 is 2. Can't take 2 out of 0. I need to regroup. So I'm going to take that away, bring it over. Now it makes it a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. It's 82. And now I'm done. If I had 5 times 4, that's 20. Is that going to be too big? Because it's going to be in the hundreds. Like 40, if I estimate it, 40 times 5, that's 200. Is that too big? So you can do a quick estimating to find out. So 40 times 5 is 200, so the 5 is going to be too big. Can I do 40 times 2 is 80, so let's do 40. 2 times 42 then would be what? 84. Is that going to be too big? Yep. So can I take one more group? Can I take a group of 42 out then? So this will be plus 1. And that'll be 0. And that would be a 4. So now I'm going to add it up. 10, 20, 30, and 1. Quotient equals 31 with a remainder of 40. Now look at this. Some of you, how many would have said, oh my gosh, it's C. It says, how many bags did he need to fill if he's going to put 42 marbles in each bag and have one with fewer marbles? He's going to have 31 bags plus 1 bag with fewer marbles. So how many bags does he use? 32 bags. He needs 32 bags. That's 31 bag. That's going to be another bag. He'll need 32 bags, and the answer is A. So you see how we're using the remainder to answer our question. Let's look at number 19. Mr. Amos has a bill of $1,260 to pay. Wow. He will make 21 equal payments. How much will his payments be? Okay, so let's take a look. So he must have bought, maybe he could have bought a TV and he charged it and he's going to put it on layaway, or they let him take it home and he's going to have to make payments on there. And so he's decided he's going to pay 21 equal payments. So this is the total amount and this is a part. So I have 21 goes into 1,260. Friendly numbers 1, 2, 5, and 10. If I do 100, that would make it 2,100. Is that too big? Yes, it is. So I'm going to do 2 times 21. Again, it would be 210. 21 times 1 is 21 plus my 1, 0. And so I'm going to start my subtraction. 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0, and I bring down my 1. This is my 10 here. Can I keep going? Yes, I can. So I'm going to put a plus sign, put my 10, my 210, subtract out. 0, 5 minus 1 is 4. Look at this. 10 minus 2 is 8. If I would have done that, it's still the same. So now I have 840. Can I keep going? Yes, I can. So I have 210. 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6.